Thank God you clicked on this video. By the way, did you do something different with your hair? Looks nice. This is gonna be different than any other drawing tutorial that you've ever seen in your entire life. And I'll tell you why. Look at the length of this video. There is no editing, no time lapse, and it's super short. You're gonna be shook when you see how easy this is. If you end up watching this until the end, and if you get any tips from this, please just turn on my notifications for a week. That's all I ask, 1 week. We can help each other out. I help you with some tips. You can just put it on for a week, then you can turn it off after that. Let's just get straight into this because this is really gonna help you. You're gonna love this. All right, so first we're gonna start with, excuse me, sir, this beautiful Ticonderoga pencil, but we don't care about good art supplies. You don't need, that's not even that great of a pencil. We're gonna use this Happy Birthday pencil. It's not even sharpened. Does the eraser work? Nope. Just, ow, my mother. Okay, we gotta sharpen it. Sharpen it directly onto the paper. We're gonna, this is a pro art tip. Only professional artists do this. They don't really like to tell you about the secret, but it's true. If you sharpen it directly onto whatever paper you're gonna be drawing on, it works the best. Oh, and by the way, the sketchbook that I have is a premium, I mean premium quality off-brand sketchbook that I got for like $1.50. And the paper is so thin, even pencil marks go through to the other side. Get off my desk, mister. First things first, you're gonna start with a little shape like that. Wow, what is that? It's like almost like a little triangle thing. It's just a little shape. Now what you're gonna do is make a little pocket for the tear duct and then come across, kind of a little bit flatter at the bottom, but not necessarily straight across. And it's not gonna be very thick. Now this is what separates the men from the boys. The lady women from the girly women. You're gonna draw a line straight from this outside corner, and then connect it with a little bit of a curve, like that. And you know what? You can like adjust the shape of the eye if you want to. That's cool. Awesome. That's why I need an eraser. Here, wait, I got it. Here, we'll do this. There we go. Come on, man. Now, next thing you're gonna do is a little iris, but notice that it doesn't touch the top, like, what is it? Here. It's not an iris like this, right? It kind of goes all the way up top. Whoa, that's too big. Well, that doesn't matter. Wow, look, that's looking terrible. Just watch. Watch this. Ready? Now we're going to do a little line for the eyelid fold. But not everybody has an eyelid fold. That's cool. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to darken this part up a little bit. Oh my gosh. You're ruining your sketch, man. Well, that's what we do here. Then you're going to draw a few little tiny beep, beep, boop, 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 beep, bop, bop. Then the next thing is going to draw a little pocket. And now, this is the weird part that separates you from all the other amateurs. Ready? With the side of your pencil, you're just going to lightly color in the iris. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go from the top and make it darker at the top, lighter at the bottom, so it kind of fades in. Look at that beautifulness. Here's the other part that will separate you from all the other wannabes at school. Right? We're going to just do a little bit of shading up top on the eyelid. See, a lot of people like to make eyes white. They're not white. They're spheres. They have lighting. Okay? There you go. Just shade it from the top to the bottom. Next thing is on that line, you're going to do the same thing, but with the side of your pencil. After that, what you can do is, I don't know, maybe a little bit of shading on the tear duct. Cool, man. Looks so great. Now what you can do is just do a little bit of little flickies for the eyelashes. Don't go crazy. Next, the other thing is, like, you don't want to draw eyelashes like this. That is bad. B-A-D, bad. Such an idiot. All right, and then you can also do it with the side of your pencil too. It actually looks really nice if you kind of make the eyelashes blobby and not lines. It looks really nice. Now, here's the other thing that's going to make your eye way better than anybody else that you know. Instead of drawing the eyebrow with a bunch of like beep, beep, boop, 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 you're going to draw an eyebrow with just the side of the pencil. All right, watch this. I'm telling you, it takes 10 seconds, but it's going to look better than something that takes you 10 minutes, okay? The shape of this eyebrow isn't that great because I don't have a lot of room, but that's okay. Ready? You're just gonna make a little blobby thing. No hairs. No hairs. I don't want you to draw any hairs. Instead, you make this blobby, and then you add a couple of little flickies. Oh my gosh, look, that is way better than if you were to do it with just lines, right? The difference between that, here it is, that versus that. So good. And that's pretty much it. The last thing you can do if you want to go crazy detailed with this is you can do a little bit of shading right here, a little bit under the eye, and a little bit over here. Then take your finger. Of course, it's got to be a greasy, nasty finger. And then you're just going to work that baby into it. Work it, baby. Work it. And that's pretty much it. Now you're done. The last thing you can do, the very last thing you can do is just to darken up the parts like the outside of these eyes, whatever, blah, 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 done. That's it. Congratulations, you can draw an eye.
Yeah.